Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Australia Skill Assessment. First, understand that a skill assessment verifies your qualifications and work experience against Australian standards for your chosen occupation. This is a crucial and often mandatory step for many skilled migration visa applications. You must ensure your nominated occupation is listed on Australia's skilled occupation list to proceed. To begin, you'll need to gather several key documents. This includes proof of your identity, official academic qualifications like degrees and transcripts, and detailed evidence of your work experience. Additionally, demonstrating English language proficiency through an approved test is often a requirement. Remember, any documents not in English must be accompanied by an official translation. The application journey starts by identifying the correct assessing authority for your specific occupation. There are 39 approved authorities, each with unique criteria, fees, and processing times. Once you know your authority, carefully review their guidelines. You will then submit your application and all required documents online through their dedicated portal. For a smooth process, ensure all your documents are high-resolution color scans and certified as true copies if the authority requires it. Processing times can vary significantly, often taking several weeks to a few months, so patience is key. If you're looking for great deals, including the Oala water bottle mentioned, check the description below for links and more information. A successful assessment is valid for 3 years from its issue date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.